Welcome to our state-of-the-art factory. Today, I'll show you how every single Pringles potato crisp is made, from raw potatoes to your hand.
Here, every machine, every process is designed for consistency, flavor, and that perfect, stackable shape.
Let's get started. And remember, subscribe for more videos like this.
We're showing 99.8% consistency on this batch.
Excellent. Proceed with the transfer.
A final laser grid ensures each dough piece is perfectly centered on its mold before the fryer.
The analyzer shows 14% moisture. That's higher than expected.
Let's cross-reference that with the density readings from the tablet.
Crisps pass under a powerful, focused air knife system that blows off residual surface oil with hot air. The hot crisps begin their journey on a long, ambient cooling conveyor, solidifying their texture. The hot crisps begin their journey on a long, ambient cooling conveyor, solidifying their texture. Optical sensors check for uniform seasoning coverage, adjusting powder flow in real time.
Two, capping. The can now moves under a sealing head that crimps the metal can wall over the lid, creating the airtight, tamper-evident seal.
Check the manifest on Bay 3.
Already done. Bill sent the confirmation over.
The potato peels and rejected dough/crisps are conveyed to an anaerobic digester to create biogas for the factory.
The umami is excellent, but it needs a little brightness.
The data shows the pH is slightly high. Let's try adding 5 milliliters more of the balsamic reduction.
I think the mango chili fusion is the winner for the summer launch.
The colors on the holographic can are perfect.
Agreed. The focus group loved it.
Yeah.
Maintaining the cold chain is critical. Ensure refrigeration units are kept below 5 degrees Celsius.
This is the isolation point. Attach the tag first, then secure your personal padlock before commencing work.
Modern manufacturing is a fusion of knowledge, innovation, and delicious responsibility. Modern manufacturing is a fusion of knowledge, innovation, and delicious responsibility.
Every single Pringles crisp involves cutting-edge food science, rigorous quality checks, and the dedication of our team to create that unique shape and crunch.